Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one is a Cosmos Black Metallic. Underneath it is an inline 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. A Neva gray black ambitext interior with a natural gray and black linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLB 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. This one does come with the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior appearance. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Illuminated star when you open the door. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Touchpad, steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. MBUX. You can give it voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB 250 has 39,757 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.